Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to level up Battle Pass fast in Valorant. Leveling up your Battle Pass in Valorant can be a rewarding experience, unlocking various skins, Radiant points and other cosmetics. The most efficient way for leveling up your Battle Pass can be Spike Rush. Spike Rush is a good way to quickly complete daily missions and earn XP. Each match is much shorter, allowing you to squeeze in more games within a limited time frame. Completing your daily missions offers the most amount of XP and it refreshes every day. Also, the weekly missions provide a significant XP boost and are crucial for leveling up your battle pass efficiently. XP in Valorant is heavily dependent on the length of the match. Playing game modes that tend to have longer matches, like competitive and unrated, can often result in more XP per game compared to shorter modes like Spike Rush or Deathmatch. But it can be a heavy time investment, which is not possible for everyone. In conclusion, Spike Rush in Valorant can be efficient mode for gaining experience for several reasons, particularly for players looking to level up their battle pass or increase their account level. Spike Rush matches are shorter, lasting around 8 to 5 minutes. You can complete more matches within the same amount of time compared to standard and competitive game modes. Despite the shorter length, the XP gain per match is relatively good when considering the time investment. You usually get a fixed amount of XP per completed match, example 1000 experience point, not including daily missions that can also be completed in Spike Rush. Spike Rush can be an efficient way to complete certain daily missions such as using abilities certain numbers of time, playing rounds or getting kills with specific weapons due to the mode's fast pace and the fact that abilities are fully available at the start of each round. Completing these missions provide additional experience points which contribute to faster leveling. In summary, Spike Rush offers a balanced mix of quick, enjoyable gameplay with a relatively good XP reward considering the time investment. It's an excellent mode for players looking to level up efficiently, especially when time is a factor and when aiming to complete specific missions that contribute to their XP gain. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.